sobrang excited kasi ito yung first time kong perform dito sa States, tapos first time ko dito sa San Francisco. Galing na kami ng Houston tsaka ng Seattle. And so far sobrang saya, and I'm expecting na sobrang mas masaya pa dito sa San Francisco.
Sobrang ganun pa rin. Actually, excited kami. Excited kami lagi pagkasama yung San Francisco kasi alam namin yung turnout tsaka yung reaction ng fans sobrang saya talaga. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung pagtanggap nila.
We are crazy. Gusto lang namin tumugtog. Tumugtog. We are crazy.
Sobrang saya ng crowd, so it's always a pleasure. Sa amin lang personally, medyo nabitin kami kasi we wanted to play more songs. And siguro after 5 days of just sleeping, medyo nabitin yung energy namin. Pero buti na yung crowd, energetic, so na-boost din kami. So thank you very much sa crowd ng San Francisco. Saya, sobra talaga. I know they waited sobrang matagal talaga kasi I think they were in line since 6 p.m. Tapos the gates opened at 8. So medyo alam ko napagod sila. Pero buti na lang talaga. I don't know what they have in their water, pero para sila nakalipawitan, sobra talagang thank you very much talaga. Sobrang saya nila. Buti na lang kasi sa sarili namin, feeling namin hindi kami tight kasi hindi mo practice for ilang days. Pero buti na lang yung crowd, all out pa rin. So thank you very much. Thank you for supporting, sa lahat naman nanonood, thank you for supporting the local music scene sa Pinas. Kahit nandito kayo, kahit maraming bagong banda, kahit exposed kayo sa mga international acts, hindi nyo minakalimutan. So thank you very much.